Now, if you've been to Vegas, the one in Vegas is 1/3 the size of this one. Just to give you an idea of how big it is. It's pretty huge. So unless you're John Wick, don't be hanging out in that little roundabout. They're right by, so if you go by the Cartier sign, they have this right here. So you can go down and across without being roadkill, like I tried to do when I was here last. It was like a real life game of Frogger. That line is the ticket office to go to the top of the arc. So as you can see, it's a freaking madhouse around here. But I was saying, the ticket line will be the one against the wall. And then you go up the same stairs to the ticket office, but stay to the right, and you come up here for free, and you don't have to potentially be a license plate holder. So if you're going to take the elevator up, it's right over here. You go take it on up. Don't forget, you got to get your tickets downstairs before you can get it. And the entrance and exit, that little staircase down, just remember, it's on the side with Cartier. I'm going to mess it up. The Champs Elysees. See how well I did. But look for Cartier. It's on the same side. Let's come down. If you came down the side, I did. Look for the Avenue Champs Elysees. Hopefully I'm saying that right. If not, at least you can read it and know what I'm talking about. We're going to go down Champs Elysees. It's 7 o'clock in the evening, and most everything's already shut down. except for the crowd. Crowd is still alive and vibrant. Now, if you're not sure what this road is, it's just got all the bougie stores on it. It's like the Rodeo Drive of Beverly Hills, but of Paris. So, unless you want to go buy something bougie, then you don't even have to come down here unless you got to transverse it like we do to get back to our hotel. But let's take a look at some of the stores. So on the other side, I've seen Dior, Saint Laurent, Montclair. Here comes something really fancy. Fancy. Like, make sure you, like, when you go there, you put your finger up. Fancy. I told you. I mean, they got golden arches. That's bougie. If you collect Pandora charms, they do have a Pandora right next to the McDonald's. Now, if you like the LV, you're gonna die when you see this. They have one of those Blackberry stores. Blackberry, Cartier, Louis Vuitton. They got a lot of them around here.
Asked me to go in there and it's closed to look at.
Yes, that's how I save money. I asked Heejin if she wanted to go check out the Louis Vuitton store. I'd buy anything that she wanted, but they're closed. Now, when we were here last time, that place had a line wrapped around it. So if you want to go check out the Louis Vuitton, I recommend finding out what time it opens and probably getting there an hour early, because I'm telling you, that line was past the store itself. It's insane. They only allow a certain number of people in there to go look in there. It's crazy. Louis Vuitton. If you ever kicked an anthill and you were wondering what it was like to be one of those ants scurrying around, come on down here. You'll get first-hand experience with that. Across the street from the second Zara, Rolex. No Folex is there. If you haven't been to Champs-Élysées, now you have. And it's crazy. So, but if you survive it, and there's a Five Guys right there, so you can go refuel on some nutrition. I use that term loosely. That's the fanciest auction house I've ever seen. Even that kid can't believe it. Now I know why they call it Gucky. Should call it Guggly, because that is ugly. Yes, and before you put in the comments, I know it's Gucci. Don't let it hurt your... I mean, coming from the arch, you're heading down through Champs-Élysées. When you get to the roundabout, if you take the Franklin Delano Roosevelt Avenue, which would be to your right, you're going to get to the National Art Museum. It'll be the intersection of FDR and General Dwight Eisenhower. So there's actually been several movies filmed here. Mission Impossible Fallout features multiple scenes filmed here. National Lampoon's European Vacation also includes shots from this location as well. So while we're walking to the other end, if you watch Mission Impossible Fallout, that scene where they were having the gala, that was filmed here in the museum. How cool. So that little shot in between the trees, that was the glassed area where they filmed Fallout for the gala series or session. So you have a couple areas with those trees that would look nice. You can take 3 different photos from them because there's 5 rows. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 5 rows of trees from start to finish all the way over there. So getting them right down the middle would be great. It would be cool if you could get the Eiffel Tower into that shot, but c'est la vie. You can at least get it right there. Totally surrounded by trees, so it makes it really hard to see, but there is the museum right there.